My name is Katie Wood, and I'm the district ranger here on the Emmett Ranger District on the Boise National Forest, and I'm here at Sagehen Campground today and wanted to just have a quick conversation with all of you to thank you again for your patience as we've continued to implement these timber sales around these campground areas and the roadside. As I've mentioned in other videos, the intent of this was for the public safety, and our efforts were to remove dead and dying trees to ensure that the public was safety while recreating at this area. I know it's been a long season with COVID and other things that have taken place. We had some setbacks here with our timeline, specifically related to a pretty wet June and also the rock slides on Highway 95, which impact haul operations. But we're excited to have this campground open, as we know it's very important to all of you, and this is one of Idaho's highlights. For those that plan on coming here, it's going to look substantially different than what many of you are used to seeing. There was a heavy active timber sale in this area, and we're still in the process of cleaning this up. That being said, we are actively trying to get it open because we know it's so important for people to get out and enjoy their public lands. So some things that you'll see are some large slash piles in and around the campgrounds, and I just want folks to know that this is an ongoing process, and over time it will look better and better with each passing year.
We're done. It's quiet here, and I want to thank you guys for staying out. We didn't hurt a single soul during this whole time working in here. We moved tons and tons of dead and dying timber, and you can see behind me the debris that's left. It's going to take a little while to clean it up. Some of that's going to get burned, some of it we're just going to have to wait for it to rot down. But next spring it's going to look great, and it doesn't look so bad now. If you guys came in now, you'd see nice, sunny, open areas that are safe. And you also have your choice of shady areas. It looks different. All of these dead trees generated a lot of slash and bark. So it'll be a while, but it looks good. And thank you for your patience.
Hi, my name's Stephanie Ridley. I'm the Timber Management Assistant on the Emmett Ranger District. And I think the first thing that you're going to want to think about when you come back to the Sagehen area is you'll notice that we've treated the roadsides, we've treated the campgrounds. Those are the things that we wanted to get to first, really mitigate the hazards to the public as quickly as possible. But as you can see behind me, there's a number of great trees back here. We have a larger landscape that still needs to be treated, and we have a lot more work to do. So that's what the timber crew on the Emmett Ranger District is diligently doing right now and has been doing all summer, and will be continuing to do this fall and into the winter, is prepare the next timber sales over the next number of years to treat the larger landscape. And really what we want to do is return this area to a healthier, more resilient forest. So we're not only mitigating the hazards to the public and mitigating the hazards for the recreating folks like yourselves, but what we'd like to do is create a more resilient, healthy forest, create better wildlife habitat, cleaner water, and return the future forest out here and planting trees when we're done.
So on behalf of the Boise National Forest, we just wanted to again extend our gratitude for everyone's patience as we've completed this timber sale operation. We look forward to seeing you out recreating on your public lands in the Sagehen area in the near future.